Acupuncture points don't always do what the textbook says. Let's talk about some reasons why point actions and indications don't always work. When I was in school, I had to memorize hundreds of actions and indications for acupuncture points. But I was never told how to make those actions and indications work. This to me is akin to an ophthalmologist going to school and learning that LASIK surgery is good to treat certain eye disorders, but never actually told how to do LASIK surgery. We need to know how to make those points do what we want them to do. Intention is not enough. Intention without action is nothing more than a daydream. And we don't want to daydream over our patients. We want to actually treat them. Let's take spleen 9 for an example, because spleen 9 has a whole bunch of actions and indications. If I have a patient that comes in with spleen yang shu, and I palpate spleen 9 and I find that there's a big hollow there, I might insert the needle, proceed down slowly and carefully till I find the base of that hollow, and use a fishing technique to pull up and fill the hole. After all, the Ling Shu says all of acupuncture is to fill what's empty and empty what's full. Say that patient comes in and they come in with knee pain. I might palpate a little higher than where the textbook says the point is. And there I'm going to find the pes anserine. This is the insertion of gracilis, sartorius, and semitendinosus. I'll insert the needle at that area, stimulating the pes anserine, creating a histamine response and invoking the healing cascade. This will turn on the body's natural ability to heal the knee through stimulation of the point. But what if the patient has cold damp in the spleen? I might palpate the point to find there's a mound of cold tofu. Find the highest point on that mound, and I might do moxibustion or warm needle technique. So you see, we've got 3 different techniques with 3 different actions in 3 different locations. We can't just needle and leave the room. So when we're practicing, we need to have the knowledge of how to invoke what we want to invoke in the point, and we actually have to do it. We also have to have certain palpation skills to where we can touch the point and understand what the point needs. So practice touching the point. So we have to have the knowledge and the palpation skills. We also have to practice technique. Technique is key. The first chapter of the Ling Shu talks about the 9 needles and their ways, the techniques associated with them. It doesn't talk about actions and indications. Actually, nowhere in the Ling Shu does it talk about actions and indications. It might talk about transport points, but not actions and indications as we study them. So understand palpation, understand channel theory, and make the point do what you need it to do. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. I'd love to see you in the next video.